Wait, 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 Teresa. If you go like this, Boomba,
Okay.
hold it straight up. Wait. One. Yeah, like very quickly. 1, 2, 3, go. You got it wet. Here, Teresa.
Where is the water?
You got all the water. Here. Oh, what happened, Teresa? Did you see how high it went, though? Again, do it again.
3, 2, 1. It's more higher.
What happened?
No, we don't put it.
Okay. Now, what happened, though? We put, Teresa, Maite, we put more water, and what happened?
That it goes more higher.
It goes higher. Not more higher, but higher, yes. Tell me what you're going to do now.
We are going to shoot the rocket, but now without water. Yes.
Okay. All right.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
What happened? It went very high. Did you see?
Yes, one more time.
So it looks like it goes higher with no water.
Yes, I say you.
Okay. Maite, you're going to be hungry at lunchtime.
Yes.
Okay, wait 1 minute. 1 minute.